You want to pursue?
What?
I said, do you want to pursue? 94 Smith, 1024.
94. Hey, go ahead.
Actually gonna be 1037. He just wrecked out at Emrich. What? Get on the ground now! Get on the fucking ground now! Start EMS. He wrecked out, tried to run, but then he gave up. Put your hands behind your back.
There's no player's bike.
Well, that's stupid. Hey, Fort Smith, I think it's North 32nd Emrich. Are you all right?
Yes, sir.
Hey, I'm gonna get EMS check you out. Roll on your side. You don't have anything on you?
No.
North 32nd Emrich.
Here, stand up. Hey, Fort Smith.
I'm not sure.
Huh?
I'm not sure at least.
Yeah, just give me a second. H8 Fort Smith. Here, just have a seat. Here, watch your feet.
North 31st and Emrich Street.
H8 Fort Smith. Can you hear me?
Before I'm good to him.
10-4.
H8 Fort Smith. Can you hear me?
10-4.
I'm 1050. 1015.
10-4. Do you need a 10-11?
Yes, 10-4. Also start 10-16.
10-4.
My mail is 1050. There's no plate on this motorcycle. It's a white Kawasaki, white and black.
10-4.
Did he try to like near my property?
No.
Okay.
Is this your property?
It is.
Okay. Hey, he fled from me.
Oh, okay.
And he lost control.
Oh, okay.
And he ran into that. Can I get your information
Yeah.
for a report?
Yeah.
Because it'll be all on a report.
Okay.
Okay. Just give me a second.
Okay.
And I appreciate it, man.
But he didn't try to steal anything from the
No. He lost control when he hit that little intersection, and he just locked up his brakes, and he.
Okay.
So,
Gotcha.
we're gonna get that taken out.
Okay.
And then if you want to take your own pictures or
Yeah.
whatnot for insurance, but like I said, all of this will be documented,
Okay.
and it's all on camera too.
Okay.
For your
Are you on 6?
negative. This is North 31st and Emrich.
You're good.
Oh, I appreciate it, man. Man. Hey, ma'am. Hey, you can go around me. I know. I'm sorry. My lights are blinding.
Yeah.
You can go around me, man. I'm about to back up. Okay. Your wallet's where?
My wallet's over
Okay.
847.
Hey, go ahead. Hey, go ahead.
And go ahead and sign me OCA. And also let the on-call supervisor know.
10-4.
Also, could you just note down that he hit the fence at, I believe it's 3101 Emrich. I'm already talking to the property owner.
10-4.
Casey's elevation.
10-4.
I have an ambulance that's just going to check you out, okay? I have to, okay? I told you. I told you. Gosh. As soon as I let him up, I don't know. I haven't gotten a. Let's see. Hold on one second. I'm gonna turn off my camera and turn it back on. That's the owner. Hey, could you don't mind getting his info?
He's the owner.
Yeah, I just talked to him.
Portsmouth H8.
Yeah, he locked up his brakes. Go ahead.
David is going to be your 1011.
10-4. I'll get you a VIN whenever I can.
10-4.